going to do multiplying, dividing exponential expressions. Product of powers, quotient of powers, power of a product, and power of a power. So, this is quotient of powers. This is an equation for quotient of powers. This equals a to the m minus n. An example of this is P4 over Q 8 over Q5. This equals P to the second and Q to the third. So what I did was I subtracted P4 and P2 and I got P2. And then I subtracted Q8 to Q5 and I got Q3. So if you expand on this, you will do P times P times P times P times Q, 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 Q times Q times Q, 6, 7. Okay, and then you do a line, and then over. Okay, so then you can cross these two out. Then you can cross this Q out and this Q out. This one. And you are left with, that's not right,
2p.
And then you are left with 2p, left on the top. And then 3 Q's. This one, and that one. This is an example of quotient of powers.
Okay. Okay, now we are going to do an example of power of a product. So for this, we have our equation x to the power of a times x to the power of b, which equals xa to the power of a plus b. So an example of this is x to the power of 2 times x to the power of 3, which equals x. X is still the same because x times x is x. It's still the same. And then the exponent is 5 because 2 plus 3 is 5 because we add them together instead of multiplying. And that's how you do the power of a product.
Okay, this one is power of a power. The equation for this is a, parentheses, am is n equals a to the m times n. Example for this is parentheses 3 times 4 to the second equals 9 times 8. That is an example for a power of a power.
Yep.
This is actually an x. And then 4 is the exponent, and 8 is the exponent of the x.
And that's how you do multiplying and dividing exponential expressions.